Why does your scanner show the P0455 engine code? What does it mean? P0455 is a diagnostic trouble code for an evaporative emission control system leak detected. It means the evaporative emissions the system is now detected with a gross leak, and it's normally more than 0.04 inches in diameter. Under this circumstance, distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: gas cap issues, EVAP hoses, purge valve, fuel tank damage, fuel tank pressure sensor, Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This engine code can appear in many different car models, including Chevys, Toyotas, Fords, Nissans, and Hyundais. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.